To improve consistency between different users, Bloop uses a locations and area database for people to pick from in order to specify their dive site, mooring site, etc. This can all be set up in advance, or it can be done in process while people are submitting projects and dive plans. In advance, from settings, go to locations, and you'll see your list of existing areas. If data has been imported from an old system, there's a way to map your old system area descriptions to anything new you create here. An area, you can use a map, a Google map, to define the general area. The idea is you have a general area, and within that area you have specific locations, and a location will be a dive site or a mooring point. So we don't have San Diego listed here. Let's add San Diego as a general area. The zoom level of the map will dictate where you can place dive sites or mooring points within there. So it automatically determines we're in the United States, California. The area it's chosen is Chula Vista. I'm going to overwrite that and call it San Diego. Once the area has been added, I can specify an emergency action plan that pertains to this area. What this means is anytime a location from within this area is chosen as the site for any operations, this emergency action plan will be already populated into the dive plan or float plan. This really streamlines users' data input and makes sure that everyone is adhering to the same plans. Just put example text in there. So that's it. So that's the area set up. I have my general area set up. I can go ahead and start populating it with specific sites. So Islas Coronado, this is a dive site we often visit. I just click on there, add a new location. The GPS coordinates are calculated, and I can specify details here. What this means is whenever this dive site is chosen in a dive plan or a float plan, this information populates into that plan. Diving is possible, boating is possible here, and any AUS dive specialties or site specialties that pertain here can be checked here. This will populate into your AUS stats reporting. This also means that when Islas Coronado are chosen in your plans, this emergency action plan will be pre-populated.